How often do you use a chest press machine when you work out? Check out these tips to make sure this exercise is as effective as it can be for you.
Welcome back to Trainer Tip Tuesday. All month long, we're gonna be giving you tips on how to improve your usage on the chest press machine. Today specifically, we're gonna be discussing how to decide where to set the starting position for the handles.
So a lot of times we see people making the mistake of the handles trying to go as far back as the machine will allow, way back here. But you can see from that, I can't even really get my hands back that far without really having to stretch across my chest and my shoulders. So our recommendation when using the chest press machine is first and foremost, check your active range of motion. Just bring your hands back to a comfortable position and then match the machine to be where your body is at. If you want to go as far back as you can, that's completely fine. If you don't want to go back as far as you can, that's completely fine. But go back as far as you feel comfortable and desire to go, and then match the machine to that position. So as you can see, the handles are here, and my hands are not reaching back that far, so I need to then change how far the handles go back to match my hands. And then from there, I can move the machine. But the big thing is that I'm starting from a place that's not gonna put excessive stress on my shoulders.
Next time you're in the gym doing the chest press, try out this tip to increase the safety when you do this exercise and also the effectiveness.